एग्जाम्स पास आ रहे और अभी तक प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स नहीं करे, इससे बड़ी भूल हो ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चंस या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपर हमें ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर और सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर कर आप कर सकते हैं अपनी एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों और कॉलेज के दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एमएड फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का पेपर साइकोलॉजी ऑफ लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, पेपर 101। ये पेपर हुआ है ईयर 2025 फरवरी में। बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होती है, तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर ज़रूर करें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेज इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ ब्रूनर्स कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट थ्योरी? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, इंट्यूटिव स्टेज। Question number 2, the stage of creative problem solving in which an individual do not give attention to irrelevant information is known as, answer is option number D, illumination. Question number 3, the smallest unit of spoken languages, answer is option number D, phoneme. Question number 4. McDougall has named two instinct as, answer is option number B, motives. Question number 5. Motivation of all types of behavior is based on, answer is option number A, needs and motives. Question number 6. Innate motives are, answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 7. Concrete intelligence is also called, answer is option number C, both of the above. Question number 8. What type of transfer of learning? This example, skill of car driving is helpful of driving of a jeep. Answer is option number C, positive. Question number 9. The areas of guidance and counseling can be classified. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 10. With reference to transfer of learning, which theory is propounded on the basis of Shakti Manovigyan? Answer is option number B, theory of mental faculties. Question number 7. Which theory is propounded by Spearman? Answer is option number A, theory of G and S factor of transfer of learning. Question number 12. The propounder of theory of generalization of transfer of learning is, answer is option number B, Carl Judd. Question number 13. Important aspects of learning process are, answer is option number C, both of the above. Question number 14. Which of the following is primarily law of physical development? Answer is option number B, law of rapid growth. Question number 15. Development results in new characteristics and abilities. This statement is given by, answer is option number D, Herlock. Question number 16. Giving meaning to sensation on the basis of past experience is called, answer is option number D, perception. Question number 17. IQ level of average intelligent children will be between, answer is option number C, 90 से 109 के बीच. Question number 18. Pre-operational stage is the stage of development proposed by, answer is option number D, Piaget. Question number 19. MMPI is a test used to measure which of the following? Answer is option number A, personality. Question number 20. Through his experiment, Kohler wanted to prove that learning is, answer is option number A, the perception of whole situation. Question number 21. Creativity is a mental process to express the original outcomes. The statement is of, answer is option of B, Crow and Crow. Question number 22. Important role plays in the achieving the goal. Answer is option number C, motivation. Question number 23. The meaning of motivation is, answer is option of B, motivated to do the work. Question number 24. Who define it? Motivation is the process of arousing, sustaining and regulating activity. Answer is option number C, Woodworth. Question number 25. Type of motivation are, answer is option number C, both of the above. Question number 26. The theories of motivation are, answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 27. Who propounded self-actualization theory of Maslow with reference to motivation? Answer is option number A, psychologist Maslow. Question number 28. Growth of a child is mainly related to, answer is option number D, physical development. Question number 29. Learning is any change in behaviors resulting from behavior. Who said it? Answer is option number B, Skinner. Question number 30. The first step of problem solving is, answer is option number A, identification of problem. Question number 31. Which of the following theory is also known as the theory of reinforcement? Answer is option number C, operant conditioning theory. Question number 32. Which Cyril Bird and Vernon have propounded theory of intelligence? Answer is option number A, group factor theory. Question number 33. Who has propounded the fluid crystallized intelligence theory? Answer is option number A, R.V. Kettle. Question number 34. Mechanism which protect mental health is called, answer is option number A, defense mechanism. Question number 35. According to McDougall, the number of instincts are, answer is option number D, 14. Question number 36. Brainstorming model of teaching is used to improve which of the following? Answer is option number B. Problem solving. Question number 37. Originality, flexibility, and flow are the components of which of the following? Answer is option number D. Creativity. Question number 35. Factors affecting the social development of children are? Answer is option number D. Social environmental factors. Question number 39. According to B.F. Skinner, language development in children takes place. Answer is option number C as an outcome of imitation and reinforcement. Question number 40. Whose name is associated with father of eugenics from the following? Answer is option number D. Galton. Question number 41. Human development starts from? Answer is option number D. Prenatal stage. Question number 42. The Conditions of Learning book is written by? Answer is option number B. R.M. Gagne. Gene. Question number 43. If teacher finds a problematic child in the class, what should he do? What should he do? Answer is option number B. Provide counseling to the child. Question number 44. Whom of the following has not propounded the learning theory? Answer is option B. B.S. Bloom. Question number 45. Who gave the concept of multiple intelligence? Answer is option number C. Gardner. Question number 46. Dyslexia has difficulty in? Answer is option number D. Reading and spelling. Question number 47. Match the following. Hull. Answer is 4. Drive reduction theory. B. McDougall. Answer is instinct theory. C. Freud. Answer is psychoanalytic analytical theory. And Maslow gave the need theory. So answer is option number C. 4, 2, 3, 1. Question number 48. Learning is an association between stimulus and? Answer is option number D. Response. Question number 49. Which of the following is an emotion? Answer is option number D. Amusement. Question number 50. Which of the following is projective technique of personality measurement? Answer is option number C. Thematic appreciation test. Sorry, a perception test. Question number 51. Which one is not important in the learning process of Thorndike's stimulus response theory, SR theory? Answer is option B. Operant behavior. Question number 52. Which approach is suitable for the education of mentally retarded children? Answer is option B. Individualized instructions. Question number 53. Child's specific ability and specific potentiality to in particular field is known as? Answer is option number D. Aptitude. Question number 54. Iconic stage of Bruner is similar to which stage of Piaget's cognitive development? Answer is option number C. Pre-operational stage. Question number 55. Which of the following set is correct about the elements of creativity? Answer is option number C. Fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. Question number 56. Which one of the following is not included in the Thorndike secondary law of learning? Answer is option number A. Law of action reaction. Question number 57. Kretschmer has classified the person in one of the following main types. Answer is option number D. All of these. Question number 58. Purpose of TET is measure which of the following? Answer is option number B. Intelligence. Question number 59. Which among the following is different from characteristic of good test? Answer is option number D. Aptitude. Question number 60. Which of the following is not theory of intelligence? Answer is option number C. Theory of regression. Question number 61. Which one of the following is not ductless glands? Answer is option number C. Salivary glands. Question number 62. According to Piaget, the second stage of cognitive development is? Answer is option number C. Pre-operational stage. Question number 63. Which of the following is the most subjective method of educational psychology? Answer is option number B. Introspection. Question number 64. Albert Bandura is associated with which of the following? Answer is option number B. Social learning theory. Question number 65. Plateau is in learning curve is caused due to? Answer is option number C. Fatigue. Question number 66. Minor drawing test is used to measure? Answer is option number A. Transfer of learning. Question number 67. Who described reflective thinking from the following? Answer is option number B. DV. Question number 68. Failure in retention and recall of learned content is? Answer is option B. Forgetting. Question number 69. 5-year-old Mohan has mental age of 8. What is his IQ? Answer is option number A. 160. Question number 70. Rorschach ink blot test is used to measure which of the following? Answer is option B. Personality. Question number 71. In which stage Oedipus and Electra complexes are related in Freud's psychosexual development theory? Answer is option number B. Phallic stage. Phallic stage. Question number 72. In triac theory, the higher order executive process which helps in explaining, executing, and taking final decisions known as? Answer is option number A. Meta component. Question number 73. Which of the following is not a type of Gange hierarchy of learning? Answer is option number D. Verbal learning. Question number 74. Who introduced rational emotive behavior theory? Answer is option of B. Albert Ellis. Question number 75. Who defined psychology today concern itself with scientific investigation of behavior? Answer is option number A. Mann. Question number 76. The basis of the development of the teaching method is answer is option number C. Psychological theories and laws of learning. Question number 77. By which method behavior of problem child is studied? Answer is option number B. Case study method. Question number 78. According to Freud, the basic source of human behavior is answer is option number A. Libido. Question number 79. The factors affecting growth and development are answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 80. The lack of feeling of morality in the lack of feeling of morality is found in answer is option number B. Abnormal person. Question number 81. Which stage of development is called as the stage of storm? Answer is option number B. Adolescence. Question number 82. Which theory is propounded by Erikson? Answer is option number A. Psychological theory. Question number 83. In which state hero worship is found? Answer is option number C. Adolescence stage. Question number 84. The causes of individual difference are? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 85. Theory of connectionism is propounded by? Answer is option number B. Thorndike. Question number 86. Classical conditioning is related to? Answer is option number C. Pavlov. Question number 87. Learning is? Answer is option number A. Desirable behavioral change. Question number 88. Who defined learning as process of progressive behavior adoption? Answer is option number C. Crow and Crow. Question number 89. In which factor Piaget gave most emphasis for learning? Answer is option number A. Discovery. Question number 90. According to Kohlberg, main stages and levels of moral development are? Answer is option number B. 3 stages and 6 levels. Question number 91. Who defined the series of changes which an organism undergo in passing from embryonic stage to maturity? Answer is option number A. Herlock. Question number 92. Different aspects of human development are? Answer is option number A. All of the above. Question number 93. Like begets like. This law is related to which concept? Answer is option number C. Heredity. Question number 94. Who defined heredity is the transmission from parents offspring of physical and mental characteristic? Answer is option number B. James Trevor. Question number 95. Adolescence means the age of? Answer is option number B. 12 to 18 years. Question number 96. From educational point of view, which stage is most important? Answer is option number C. Adolescence. Question number 97. For emotional development, these activities should be encouraged. Answer is option number D. All of the above sequence. Question number 98. The problems of adolescence are? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 99. In adolescence, the main points of feeling of anxiety are? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 100. The factors affecting learning process of students are? Answer is option number D. All of the above. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ साइकोलॉजी ऑफ लर्निंग डेवलपमेंट एंड लर्निंग। आई होप ये वीडियो आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी। मेक श्योर कि आप इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन किसी भी ऑप्शन में आपको डाउट है तो उसे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर देंगे सभी व्यूअर्स के लिए। Once again, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support, guys.